If you're experiencing low performance on your Steam Deck, there are several adjustments you can make to enhance its speed and efficiency. Follow these steps to optimize your device. Step 1. Update software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, then System, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in your games. Access the in-game settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow details. This can significantly improve frame rates and overall performance. Step 3. Manage background processes. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, navigate to the library, and check for any active downloads or applications that can be closed to free up system resources. Step 4. Optimize power setting. Adjust the power settings for better performance. Go to Settings, then Power, and select a performance mode. This will prioritize performance over battery life, helping your Steam Deck run smoother during gaming sessions. Step 5. Clear storage space. Ensure you have enough free storage space on your device. Delete unused games or files to free up space, as low storage can affect performance. You can check your storage usage in the Settings menu under Storage. By following these steps, you can enhance the performance of your Steam Deck and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Regular maintenance and adjustments can keep your device running optimally.